Well, looks pretty rare. It's about time I got back to air frying things, isn't it? So I've got this watermelon here. I think what I'm going to do is take a big chunk of this off and then air fry it and see what it tastes like when it's air fried. I did try barbecuing a bit of watermelon once because someone said that was supposed to taste good. I don't think it got hot enough, but the air fryer will sort it out. I'm going to stick it on the hottest setting on the air fryer. I was trying to decide if I should put some like oil on it or something to make it crispy, but I don't think that's going to work because it's mostly water. Let's give it a try and see what happens. Well, try and get it all like the same size, same thickness. That's what I meant to say. Well, I failed at that, but that'll do. That air fryer, there's already something in this one which I'm dehydrating. It's got 8 minutes to go, but this is not going to get dehydrated. It's just going straight in a nice bit of watermelon, and then we'll stick it on the max crisp setting. We'll just give it the 10 minutes, see what goes on. It's halfway there now, so let's have a look. Looking a bit leathery on top, sticky as well. Let's see if we can turn it over. It's singing as well. It's singing to us. Now we've got a nice imprint of the thing there. Hot. So this might need more than 10 minutes, you know. Right, let's stick it back in. How long are you guys air frying your watermelons for? Time to lean, time to clean. If you know, you know. Knife. Oh, it's ready. Let's get let's put the watermelon there. What do you think? Maybe we could go. I don't know if 10 minutes. I don't know if 10 minutes was enough for that. I think I might need a bit more. I'll stick it back in for a minute. No, I'm going to stick it back in for. I'm going to stick it back in. I'm going to stick that one back in for a wee while. I've just stuck that one back in for a wee while there. Because I wanted it to be like caramelized. It wasn't caramelized. Let's see how this is looking in 3, 2, 1. Oh, she's like a bit of leather, that one. Stay. We'll come back to it. It's been another 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Let's see how we're going. Oh, wow. She is. Oh, wow. Lively. I think we'll probably call it done there. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off that. It's quite mesmerising. That's what a cooked watermelon looks like. It's went all soft. I thought it was going to firm up, but that hasn't happened. And it's going to be too hot to eat now. It must be 240 degrees because it was in there for 20 minutes, wasn't it? Let's have a look at it. Let's get a look at that cross section. Well, looks pretty rare, doesn't it? Let's get a little taste of this outside. This bit's the real cooked bit. Maybe I cooked it too thick. That's my bit there. 15 minutes to cook a watermelon slice. A whole watermelon, that would take all day, wouldn't it? Jeez, can you imagine? Here's my bit. I don't even like watermelon that much. Wonder what hot watermelon's going to be like. Hot water melon. No. Well, thanks for joining me on that journey of discovery. I don't think we should bother cooking it anymore. It's not a tasty snack when it's cooked. I was lied to. Thanks for watching.